Today we're exploring the journey of Jenna Marbles, the YouTube pioneer who became one of the most beloved and authentic creators in internet history. Known for her hilarious DIY projects, iconic pets, and relatable vlogs, she amassed over 20 million subscribers before making a sudden and permanent exit from the spotlight. So, where is Jenna Marbles now? Let's find out. Jenna Marbles, whose real name is Jenna Mori, first exploded onto the scene in 2010 with her viral hit, How to Trick People into Thinking You're Good Looking. For a decade, she was a cornerstone of YouTube culture, evolving from edgy satirical skits to wholesome content featuring her Italian greyhounds and her longtime partner, Julian Solomita. However, her career took a dramatic turn in June 2020. Amid a period of global cultural reflection, Jenna posted a tearful final video apologizing for past content that she deemed offensive or racially insensitive. Stating she wanted to ensure she wasn't hurting anyone, she announced an indefinite hiatus and immediately deactivated her primary social media accounts. Unlike many creators who eventually return after a break, Jenna has maintained a total radio silence that has lasted over 5 years. While she remains completely offline, fans have received occasional updates through Julian, who continues to stream and create content. In April 2021, Julian announced their engagement, and the couple officially tied the knot in November 2022. They continue to live a quiet, private life in their Sherman Oaks home in Los Angeles, surrounded by their famous pack of dogs, including Kermit, Peach, Bunny, and Loney. Where is Jenna Marbles now? As of now, Jenna Marbles is living as a private citizen in Los Angeles, focusing on her personal life and her family. While she has shown no interest in returning to the public eye, her name returned to the headlines just this week under somber circumstances. On the 19th of December 2025, Julian announced the passing of their legendary Chihuahua, Mr. Marbles, who died peacefully at the age of 17. The news triggered a massive wave of tributes from the internet community, as Marbles was the namesake of Jenna's channel and a constant companion throughout her entire career. Earlier this year, in February 2025, rare paparazzi photos of Jenna walking her dogs were published, marking her first public sighting in nearly 5 years. While the images showed her looking healthy with dark blonde hair, her fanbase widely condemned the photos as an invasion of the privacy she has worked so hard to maintain. Despite persistent rumors of a comeback, Jenna remains committed to her unplugged lifestyle, appearing only occasionally in brief, blink and you'll miss it glimpses on Julian's social media during major milestones. Jenna Marbles has transformed from a global internet superstar into a private individual who chose peace and accountability over fame. While her digital footprint remains a nostalgic treasure for millions, she continues to prioritize her mental well-being and her life behind closed doors. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on icons who have chosen to walk away from the spotlight and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.